Alright, Ty. Hi. Here. Oh. Up. Up. Come here.
Oh, you didn't get a cage for it?
No, they just gave us a box.
Did they have a cage?
No, it's a complicated situation. Come on, up. Ooh, nice parakeet.
Okay, honey, you have
Alright.
to settle down. Ella, stop talking.
Hi. This is Ty.
His name is Ty.
His or her name is Ty.
Hi.
Up.
Oh, hi, sweetheart.
His name is Ty.
Hi. Yeah, let's not freak it out too much.
Why don't we just let it go in the cage for a little bit?
Oh, you must be flipped.
Yep.
Ella, stop rocking it. It's okay. Come here. Huh. Oh, very nice.
Hi, Ty.
Nina, what do you think? Hi. You're a boy. You have a blue snare. Nina, what is
Nina,
that?
look at Ty.
Oh,
Oh, honey.
Honey.
I think he should just go in the cage for right now.
Yeah, he's a little freaked out.
Yeah, he's gonna go by Sonny.
You want to go on the swing? Oh, Sonny, God. Honey, leave the door open. Nina has to be